Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are wondering why I haven't posted a single video for the past 7 months, the reason is that I am currently in the last year of my computer science degree and I was busy with college work. And COVID made it much worse to do it. Now that I am out of college, I am trying to focus more on this YouTube channel. And I hope I will be able to make and keep posting more videos like at least 3 times a month. So that now that is out of the way, let's jump into some good news. The good news is that yesterday our channel hit like 100 subscribers. This is a huge milestone for me. If any of you remember, like when I posted my last video, I had like 30 subscribers. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel. Also, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and liking the video for the algorithm. And without wasting any more of you guys' time, let's jump into the video. So let's make your Android phone look like this with a minimal style and a live wallpaper to complement it. To do this, you guys will need these 4 applications which I am showing on the screen. So pause this video, go ahead and download it. Now open up Nova Launcher, and once it has been opened, click and hold on the home screen and click on the settings icon. Scroll all the way down and set this as the default launcher. After that has been done, just copy the settings which I am showing to you on the screen. If you are new to Nova Launcher, visit my previous video in which I show you guys how to set the settings in much more detail. Now just rearrange your icons in a pleasing manner. Now it's time for the live wallpaper. In order to do the live wallpaper, open up the RetroWave application. In this application, click on the menu button which is on the top left, and you can see the GIF option. In this option, you can select many GIFs. So just scroll down until you find a good one. After you have found one, click on it. Click on the tick button. In there, you can select the background color. I will select something dark. And you can use the plus and minus button to increase the size of the GIF. And after that has been done, click on the zoom it button to set it as your wallpaper. An ad will show, just skip it. After that, just adjust using pinch to zoom to fit your screen correctly. Now just click on set as. This RetroWave application also has some static wallpapers which are also very cool. It also has many anime GIFs, so if you guys like that kind of stuff, just install the RetroWave application. Now to do KWGT widgets, in order to do it, just click on hold on some empty area on the screen. Click on widgets and find KWGT in there. And click and hold on it and add it to the screen. Now just resize it to fit the screen and tap on it. Now you can add any of the KWGT preset widget packs. Just select something which you like. Now that it is selected, click on the back button and click on save. Now go to the home screen and your widget is set. Now just resize the widget according to your liking and set it on the screen. That is it. Another problem which you may run into is that some applications might not be supported by the icon pack. In order to fix that, click and hold on the icon and click on the pencil button. In there you can select the icon and select the icon pack from which you want to select the icon. Now scroll on the list and you can select whichever icon you want to substitute that original icon with. So that is it guys, your home screen is finally customized. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this. And stay tuned until the next video. So stay safe and goodbye guys.